Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to make a landscape painting on this marble. So I have already sketched on this marble and now we started. I have laid out the color we want for it. Orange yellow, deep purple, light purple, yellow, leaf green, yellow green, black, white and flushed in. So first of all, we will take out the flushed in color and purple color, orange yellow color on this plate, and along with it we will mix the pink color and flushed in color and a little bit of purple color on the sky. I have done a little more orange yellow color blue and will make clouds with rose and purple color on it. I will also do the same color, flushed in color, on the water below so that the shade of the sky appears. Now I will mix the white and purple color together and color the mountains up. Now we will add gray and white color and a little purple color to color the mountains below. Now on the ground below the mountain we will paint green. We are using light green color. It will also strand the same green color on the front side. Now we will use the leaf green color to create the trees under the mountains and use the same green color to create the grass on the ground. By adding a little black color to the leaf green color. Now we will start creating the tree. Now the same color we will make the shadow of the trees on the water. Now the light green color will add a little bit of on top of these trees. Now on the front side we will make the 3 or 4 big trees. For this we use black color and leaf green color mixed together. So now our beautiful landscape painting is complete. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share.